Dede, what's happening now? What are we doing outside?
Mummy get you rain boots.
Is Papa? I don't think so. What's happening? Where are we going?
Outside.
Oh, let's go. Why are we dressed like ninjas? Are you a ninja, Damon? Ninja Papa?
No, ninja.
I'm not a ninja.
Because mommy said I did that. Why I'm ninja.
What did we forget?
Umbrella.
Oh my. Let's go back upstairs then.
Later.
I'm going to show you umbrella,
Yeah.
but it's too small.
Before when we are walking back to home, when we are going to school, I shared my umbrella with you.
Okay.
It's space.
Oh my. It's space. You can jump in it. You're wearing boots. Do it, do it. What are we doing now?
But the water's around.
Is the umbrella in my face?
Oh! I can see the face inside too.
Oh my.
Hi!
You stopped. What are you doing?